Welcome back, guys. हम करेंगे sound question 6 paper 2 5054. Let's start. Question 6. Figure 10.1 in the trace on the screen of the oscilloscope. तो oscilloscope का trace दिया गया है. The trace shown in figure 10.1 is caused by a sound. The sound travels through the air to a microphone from the place that it is made. The microphone is connected to the oscilloscope, which displays the waveform shown. Sound is a type of wave. Which type of wave is sound? Sound is a type of longitudinal wave, as I have told and I have mentioned like multiple times. तो ये हमारे लिए useful होगा. Longitudinal wave is it consists of sound in a category, right? So sound is a longitudinal wave. आगे चलते हैं. Describe the motion of the air molecules as the sound passes through the air to the microphone. So the sound is gonna move. It is moving in a parallel path, right? It is moving in a parallel path, so it will move left and right, and it will create rarefactions and compressions. Compression being a state of high density, while rarefactions being a state of low density, lower than normal. आगे पीछे oscillate करेंगे because it is moving in a direction parallel to the direction of energy transfer. Compression and rarefaction stated or described. अच्छा, describe and explain how the trace on the screen changes as the pitch of the sound becomes higher. The setting on the oscilloscope is changed. So this will become ज़्यादा frequency दिखाएंगे. So in a unit time, more amount of waves will pass a point. एक point को more amount of waves will pass because the frequency is increased, and when the frequency is increased, more waves are passed in a unit time. So let's check. Higher frequency or more waves per second time for one wave less. So that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.